guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So today I have for you a SHEIN nail haul. So I got about 60 items, all nail stuff, nail tools, nail room decoration stuff. It is a huge haul and I am super excited to show you guys everything I got. So we are going to start with the nail tools that I got. Okay, so first I'm going to start with this, I don't really know what to call it, but it's basically a heart-shaped mat and it's perfect for the background when I do like my final reveal for my nails. I have this little iPad stand because when I do my nails, I watch shows or I watch some YouTube videos, but my iPad's always in the way. So I think this is perfect. I can make the angle nice because of the glare from the light. This iPad stand is so good. Next, I have two different nail charm cases. So this one I already had, but it's all filled up with my other nail charms. So I had to get another one because I thought it was so good. It fit all the charms perfectly. And then I also got this bigger one because I was thinking for my bigger nail charms, or like these ones that are in a big pack, I thought they would fit better in these bigger slots. So I got two new nail charm containers. Next are these nail brushes. I think they're supposed to go in here, but they don't really stay. See, it just fell. It's kind of staying now, but I think it'll fall out. Anyway, so it's a bunch of these brushes. I always mix together gel colors. I never have a brush to paint it on my nail with. So I guess it actually does stay. You just have to push it in really hard. So I got this nail drill bit cleaner. You basically take this, put it in this slot here, and then you can take a nail drill bit, dip it in isopropyl. You can clean it in this contraption, basically. So I'm super excited about this. It is a little push bottle for isopropyl. Yeah, I just had to get one of these. Next thing along the same lines. So this I am also super excited about. This is for nail wipes. Put the nail wipes in there. I'm supposed to get them down, I don't know. And then you can just take out your nail wipes from the little slot, and I love this. I think this is so handy. Also cuter. Here are all my nail wipes. I have a huge box of them. So we're gonna fill this up. My nails are like really sore because I just popped off my nail set that I glued on them. Yeah, I just thought I'd share. So you guys might know, these are my nail plates I have, and I've been using them for the past 3 or 4 years now. They are so used. So this is the new one I got. Got this clear one. Okay, now this one's a bit random. I got a tripod. I wanted to use my old phone as kind of a microphone. So I was kind of thinking of using this as a microphone stand. And I think it is really good. It stands really nice. Your phone fits here and it expands. So the next thing I have is a glitter tray catcher. When you're pouring glitter over your entire nail, you do it over this. So that way you can catch all the glitter in this little tray and then get your glitter bottle and then you can just pour it right in. I thought this would be handy because I do waste a lot of my glitter on the napkin. I don't clean it up because usually my napkin is dusty. I don't want to save dusty glitter. Also, if someone could let me know why there's 2 trays, I didn't really look into it that much, so. I plan to put like at the side of my work area because I always just throw my cuticle pusher, tweezers, like I always just throw it to the side. I just thought this tray would be a nice place to put them. I also have these other nail tools that I almost forgot about. I got a new wax pencil because my wax pencil is very dirty, and I also have some silicone tools because I plan on using these when making 3D nail art with the 3D hard gel. You can like mold it with your fingers. Use these for that. So I also got this, it's kind of like a comb for your nail art brushes. If your nail art brushes have any cured gel on it, you can just comb the gel out, and it also has a picker side which is very sharp. Okay, and that's it for the nail tools. Now let's move on to nail charms and nail stickers. So the first thing is this whole container of pink nail charms. This came just like this in the container and everything. So I just thought this was really convenient. Like you get the container and all the nail charms. I really like that. Next, I got some silver chain. I wanted some silver pearls as well, so I got these. Bow charms in a bunch of different colors. More bows. These ones are like a pearlescent white. Some clear heart charms. These are very small though. They have like a really small size and then a really small size. These are silver bow charms. Clearly I got a lot of bow stuff. I also have these silver stars and I thought these were so cute. These glittery bunnies. Next, I got strawberry charms. I really want to do some strawberry nails. So I have these red ones and these pink ones, and these pink ones are much bigger than the red ones. I also got these silver butterfly charms. I also got these other heart charms that are clear and glittery. Then I got some more flower charms. I do have flower charms, but I only have like a certain amount of colors. Next, we have nail stickers. So I got these like holographic butterfly stickers. Next are these bow stickers. I really like bow nail art, but I just have trouble drawing them. Like they never turn out nice, especially doing the little bows. I just cannot draw them. They just look weird to me. So I got the stickers to basically cheat and not have to draw them. So I also got these other butterfly stickers. And then finally, I got these aura stickers. Now, a little spoiler, I did already use these on my older sister. I did her nails at her house for the first time ever. Traveling nail set. So I didn't record any of it, but we did use these aura stickers on her. For the most part, they are good. I would recommend using these on much shorter nails though, because the nails we did were kind of like medium long and the aura just looked very small compared to the nails. Magenta color, light pink, and this is supposed to be blue, but it's like green gray. Bit ugly. So that is it for the nail charms. One thing I want to do before moving on, I want to put all my nail charms into the nail charm container. I just cannot resist any longer. I wish I got more nail charms. I just feel like I got so much more, but I actually didn't. You know, I'm not gonna think too much about it. I'm just gonna put them in. Okay, this is all we got so far for filling this one container. Okay, now we're gonna get into the nail room decorations. So as I told you guys before, I did want to change up my videos a little bit and add different camera angles. If I'm gonna add different camera angles, I need like a nice background. So I got some decorations for my desk. Strawberry candles. They are so cute and they actually smell so good. I don't know if I'd actually light it. Like, do I actually want to waste the candle or do I just want it there for decoration? We'll see. Next, I got these candles, these cookie candles. I don't know about the smell. The smell's a bit weird, but they are adorable. I wouldn't light these because I do not want this smell roaming around my room. But it's basically just like a stack of cookies. And then finally for the candles, I got these pink heart candles. I think they smell kind of like rose. So obviously if I'm gonna have little candles, I need a place for my little candles to go. I have some candle holders. They could count as like a ring dish. Gold heart tray, but yeah, it's just like a little place to put my candle. I got this other tray, has little legs. And then finally I got this white clay type of looking one. I really like this one. I think this one's my favorite. I got this little moon light. Thought it'd be nice in the background of my vid. So I got this little statue. She's reading with a book. Lights up and it's so cute. I love reading, so I thought that this would be cute. Next thing, I absolutely love this one. It's a crocheted flower in a little flower pot. They're soft. And then I also got this, so you can see my phone in the reflection, but it basically is a mirror with a line of these little tulip flowers and it makes it look like an infinity amount of flowers and it's so pretty. So next thing, I don't know if you want to count this as a nail tool or nail room decoration, but I got this shelf. It's this clear shelf and I'm already putting it to work. You can add more layers than this, but I just got the one one that has 3. The other thing is this little cat ring holder. Next thing is this other shelf that I got. Here's this one. I don't really like this one because I wanted to put it on my desk, but the problem is when I move my desk, you can really hear the shake from the bottles. Yeah, it just shakes and the bottles rattle. So I don't really like this shelf. I would much more recommend these ones, or to find different ones that are meant for gel polishes. So another category within our nail room decoration category is wall art. First thing I got is this wooden frame with a printed canvas on it, and it's just of these 2 cats, and it's very adorable. I have a few more here. They come in these little tubes. Let's get to unrolling these. So this one is a cherry poster. I have a little lucky cat, and it says lucky you, and it's pink. This one is of like a really cute kitchen. It has a little cat sitting in the fridge. Because like I do my nails at night most of the time, or like doing my nails last all the way into the night. So like a little nighttime type of picture is very fitting. This one's a trio and it has 3 different prints. So I just wanted to get some pink type of art. Gotta go into the 0.5 mode. Here's how my area looks. So here's the first one. You know, I really like these because of the aura. Yeah, this one's cute. It has like affirmations on it and stuff. The next one is this butterfly one. The last one is just another repeating numbers one. Okay, and finally, I got this Trust the Process one. I thought this was so cute. I love the aura heart and trust the process, you know, because nails are a process. I have the last 2 things. So I got 2 different types of nail tips. They're very similar. I just wanted to get 2 in case one of them wasn't really gonna look nice. So these ones are extra long square nail tips, and they already have a buffed inside. Yeah, these aren't bad compared to my other ones I have here. I don't really like them that much. So these are my other ones I got. I really like these ones. Extra long full cover tips, square shape. These are just perfectly shaped. They have a really nice cuticle shape. I just really love these. So here's how they look. They're very nicely squared, extra long. They fit the cuticle area pretty nicely. You know, you might have to adjust. I do have to file some of the cuticle areas to fit my nail better. Here's how they look from the side. I think they look really nice from the side. The cuticle area of this is like shaped really nicely how I would like it. It just makes the nail look like it has a nice apex. So I would definitely recommend these ones. Okay, hi guys. So I'm currently editing this video, but I just wanted to add this little part at the end. I just wanted to tell you guys my favorite overall items that I really recommend out of this whole video. And now that I've been using this stuff for the past couple weeks, I can really let you guys know what I really like. First off is the iPad holder. I really love this. I've literally been using this every single day. And not only does it hold your iPad, but it can also hold your phone. It's just so handy. It really is perfect for when you're working at your nail desk. It just keeps your devices out of the way. Highly recommend this one. Next item is this full case of nail charms. This was only $5. I know I already mentioned it in the video, but I just have to say it again. So good for only $5. You get so many nail art charms, and it also comes in the case already, so it's just so perfect. And it also comes in many other colors, not just pink charms. Also, one thing I don't recommend is these cookie candles if you're looking for like cute little nail room decoration or just room decoration in general. These ones smell so weird. They just smell too weird. I wouldn't recommend it. And the last thing I highly recommend are these nail tips. After I've been using them for a few sets now, they're just so good. Perfect shape, they fit the nail so well, and I think these are only $5 too if I'm not mistaken, but yeah. So good. Anyway, that's all I just wanted to add to this video. So guys, that is it for my SHEIN nail haul. So the final cost of everything I showed you was around $170 to $180. I can't really remember. I didn't use any coupon codes. I didn't really find any. And then SHEIN didn't really have any good ones either at the time. But you know, if you think about it, I did get so much stuff. I got around 60 items. Overall, I really love everything. I am going to go decorate my nail area, put all my nail supplies away. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this SHEIN nail haul. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you all next time. Bye!